Good morning, everybody. My name is Barry Schwartz, and this is the Search Buzz video recap. Today is Friday, October 18th, but I'm recording this actually on Wednesday afternoon, October 16th, which is why I'm so awake and it's so light. Usually I record this at like 5:30, 6 a.m. on a Friday morning, so this is actually being recorded on a Wednesday around noon, a little bit after noon. Any event, a lot to discuss. Google search ranking volatility, of course. New Google Shopping AI-based features coming out. Bing Webmaster Tools releases a lot of new features. And Semrush has acquired Third Door Media, which includes SMX, Search Engine Land, and other properties. So definitely stay tuned. Lots to discuss. Of course, I'd like to thank our sponsor, Wix. Wix Studio. Did you check them out? Do you know that Wix Studios has SEO courses, all for free? And it covers topics like keyword research, technical SEO, local SEO, SEO reporting, link building, and more. So definitely take a look at it. It's go at wix.com/SEO/learn/SEO course. So just or Google SEO courses from Wix Studio, and you should be able to find it. Thanks, Wix, for sponsoring. Okay, so first up on October 16th, I posted about Google ranking volatility starting probably the 14th, the 15th, leading into the 16th. Definitely another set of volatility. Last time I reported about this was last week, and it's just ongoing. Literally, I haven't seen this much volatility at this heated pace for this long ever. Period. The tools are all spiking, and not all, most of them are actually spiking. So we have SERP metrics, cognitive SEO, advanced web ranker, AccuRanker, Wincher. They're all kind of dancing. So a lot of stuff going on there. Pretty interesting to hear that. So if you definitely saw ranking volatility yourself on your own sites, ranking up and down, you are definitely not alone. Google announced new shopping search features, specifically stuff we actually covered before in this video, but now it's officially released. They announced new AI features like research with AI, which is here's a GIF of it, but basically we covered this before. There's also a new user interface with personalized feeds. Here's a GIF of that. And also, there's a new way of finding deals, deal finding tools, such as price comparison, price insights, and price tracking. That was released earlier this week. Neat feature. People seem happy about this, which is pretty cool. Bing, on the other hand, Microsoft announced a bunch of Bing Webmaster Tools features and announcements to improve Bing Webmaster Tools. One is more data. We're getting 16 months of data up from 6 months of data. I actually thought it would be 24 months, but didn't come out with that. They only have 16 months. They're replacing top insights with top recommendations, which provides more personalized recommendations for your site. And then they also previewed, it's not live yet, it's a slow rollout to a small number of users, supposedly. I asked for access, I don't have access yet, at least at the recording, to Copilot tools, where you can actually ask Copilot in Bing Webmaster Tools, ask questions, it'll give you answers based on your own data. I was hoping it would be Copilot data, like separated out, but they do not have that. So it is, anyway, cool upgrade for Bing Webmaster Tools. And the big industry news this week is that Semrush has acquired Third Door Media, which owns properties such as Search Engine Land, SMX, and other properties like MarTech, Digital Marketing Depot, and so forth. Now, I'm obviously been involved with Search Engine Land and SMX since they all started. I'm not an owner. Everybody's congratulating me like I'm an owner. I'm not an owner. I'm a contractor. I plan on staying on, and I'm really excited for all those involved. The whole team is staying on. Congratulations to Semrush for their acquisition. Congratulations to all those who made out on this deal. And I'm looking forward to seeing what comes up in the future. So last week we talked about how Google's having this recipe quick view thing, which steals from publishers and so forth. Well, it looks like Bing is doing the same thing on a different interface where Inspired Taste called out Bing search for basically stealing and grabbing, and they said outright theft of their content, of their recipes directly in the search results. Here's a GIF they shared. I'm able to replicate it. It does look like Bing is actually just taking all their content and putting it right in the actual search results. And it's live, unlike Quick View, which is actually just a beta test, so we'll see. Talking about Google, a big YouTuber who has almost 20 million subscribers, posted a video named Why Google Search is Failing. And it got millions of views. And he basically goes through the results page, why they stink. He goes through SEOs are the reason for Google's failing, and also all the AI changes. It's a pretty interesting video. Definitely take a look at it. It's definitely getting a lot of eyeballs, so interesting to see that there as well. Google is testing showing product carousels, which seem to be just designed specifically for Amazon. It has all the pricing schema and stuff there, but it seems Amazon specific. Here's a screenshot of that was spotted by Frank Santman. Google's also testing a new label for Sitelinks, I believe. I think these are Sitelinks. They're calling it Top Links. Here's a screenshot of that was spotted by Shahim. Google Ads announced a new policy for third parties called the third party policy. And they basically said third parties are basically agencies or other third parties that actually manage ads on behalf of their customers. And they said they basically go ahead and issue and have new penalties for these third parties that violate their policies. So any of these agencies that enable significant or sustained policy violations, I guess over a certain period of time, will have new penalties such as removal from the Google Partner Program, loss of privileges, and account suspension. So keep that in mind, that's changing in November. Some of it seems pretty obvious, but it is what it is. Google is testing expandable and collapsible ad formats. This was spotted by Carousel. Here's a GIF of it in action where you can expand and collapse new sponsored ads. Plus there's a new refinement option. I guess there's more ways to get ads into the Google search results. Google Ads is testing a new campaign bid type strategy called gross profit optimization. Casey Gill spotted this and she wrote, now available in select Google accounts. And it was announced earlier at Google Marketing Live and so forth. And basically you can go ahead and set these things for cost of goods sold and so forth, where you're funneling in all your profit data and your cost of goods sold to Google, and you're trusting that they will do a good job with it. It might work, it might not. Keep that in mind. Google Ads is also going to remove any data that is 11 years old or longer. This is part of the new data retention policy. It starts November 13th. If you have data in there for over 11 years and you want to keep it, export it so you have it somewhere else. Google Merchant Center added a new verification method. Now they have 5 verification methods as opposed to just 3. So keep that in mind. There's more ways to verify. Google Business Profiles has removed the ability to upload your health insurances carriers that you accept. So if you're a health agency or a doctor office or whatever, and you want to post your health insurance benefits or what you offer for accepting health insurance, it seems like that was removed. It was actually added back in December 2021, and according to Joy Hawkins, it's now completely gone. So maybe it's a bug, but she thinks it's a feature remove. So we'll see. Talking about feature removes, Microsoft said they unshipped 27 different Bing features over the course, I don't know when, they just unshipped it. And Musufta, the new CEO of Microsoft AI, said, simplicity is one of the core principles I'm focused on. I am so proud of the Bing team I'm so proud that the Bing team has unshipped 27 features. Being brave enough to undo complexities is important. Now I asked Musufta, I asked Microsoft's PR team, what features were unshipped? They did not get back to me. Everybody knows Bing is very, very cluttered. It doesn't seem any less cluttered today. Any event, again, a reminder, I'm offline. I was offline Thursday and Friday, which is when you're watching this. I'm also going to be offline next Thursday and Friday as well. So anything I post, including this video, is pre-written, pre-recorded, pre-scheduled. Everybody who's celebrating, have a nice, fun, celebrate Sukkot. And everyone have a great weekend, safe, and be well. Again, thanks to Wix for sponsoring. Definitely check out their SEO courses. Really good stuff. Anyway, have a great day, weekend, and I'll see you guys next.